If you want to get rid of the numbers in your Xbox Gamertag, here's how you do it. So first you need to sign in to your Xbox account on your console or a web browser. Now go to your settings on your console, press the Xbox button and then scroll to Profile and System and select Settings. If you're on a browser, go to the Xbox website and log in. Then you're going to select your profile. In the Settings menu, choose Account and then your profile. Then change Gamertag. So look for the option that says Change Gamertag, click on it, and you'll see your current Gamertag with numbers. Then you're going to choose a new name. So type in a new Gamertag that you like, make sure it doesn't have any numbers and is unique. You might need to try a few different names since some may already be taken. Confirm the change. So once you find a name that you like, follow the prompts to confirm the change. There may be a small fee, so be ready for that. And after you confirm, your new gamer tag will be updated. So the new number will be the numbers will be gone. All right, enjoy your new game. Let me know if this helped. All right.